white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. Okay, away we go.
I haven't been posting. We're not even going to discuss that. I look busted. Got my earrings off except for this one because I'm gonna change this one anyways. As you read the title for this video, I'm gonna be dyeing this. All my true supporters knew that I had a blonde ombre type of color. I'm dyeing my hair this color. You guys can see. Never dyed my hair by myself, so this is gonna be a hot mess. I can already tell you that. This is the color right here. It's like this acid berry. That's what it's called. This acid berry color. Don't mind my nails. I need to fill in. I'm going to read the instructions and put the mixture together, and I will be right back. So I'm done shaking. I think this is mixed well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair in fours. It does say to not wet your hair but detangle it. I'm going to put these in and then I'm going to detangle before I add the dye. So that's what I shall be doing in this clip you're about to see. Okay, so my hair is in these 4 parts. They're probably not even, but I don't care. I think I'm gonna start on my back. I'm going to add this dye to at the roots, and then I'm going to detangle, finger detangle. I know you'll probably be like, sis, you got acrylics on. I did watch some tips what you could do for acrylics while dyeing your hair. One, I'm going to double layer these gloves. If the dye still comes through, I'm going to add like maybe hairspray, Vaseline. Did up on the web before I started doing all of this. I have my Vaseline right here. I never did this before, so I think you just add, well, I should do this without this one layer of gloves. I'm gonna put it on my forehead. This is gonna feel so weird. Is this normal? Am I doing this right, y'all? Please don't joke me. So I'm gonna put that right here so it doesn't dye my freaking forehead. I have school tomorrow, by the way, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna do that there, in the back of my neck, I think. I hope I'm doing this right. Like, y'all, please do not comment. Be like, sis, you're putting it on stupid. The next clip, you guys gonna see me putting in the dye, detangling it, all that. And then after I get the color in my hair, I'm gonna come back to y'all. So So I still have dye still left. I don't know where else to put it, so I'm just gonna have this just in case like some of my hair starts drying. I'll add a little bit more color to it. I hope this color comes out good because what's showing up right now doesn't look nowhere near this plum acid berry type of color. So it says leave it in for 25 minutes, so I'll be back in 25 minutes and I'll get you a little update and I'll tell you guys the next step. Other than that, pray for me. I don't want to see all my hair come out. My mom said leave it on for 60 minutes for some reason, but I listened to her, left it on for 60 seconds. 30 minutes in, I did use the rest of the dye. I knew, like, I went back and used some, but I still had some left over. And at this point, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put the rest in there. So that happened. I'm gonna rinse out my hair. Then after I rinse out my hair, I'm gonna put in the conditioner that they gave in the kit. I'm gonna use the conditioner and then I'll come back and reveal everything, the color, if my hair fell out, that. Pray for me. My nails are still here. For everybody that's wondering how do I still have my color on it and it's not tinted, I just doubled the gloves. And yeah, so pray for me. I'll be back and yeah, see you guys. So it's the next day. This is the color of the hair. I hope you guys can see. It came out more red than I expected it to be. As you can see, my scalp is kind of reddish. That's this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Doing what you're doing just to get your way going, yeah, I see.